Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the files and the slide ready. Open your Google Slides deck and pick the slide where the transparent image will go, then insert the image via Insert Image or from Drive. Use PNG when you need true transparency. JPEG will not preserve alpha. Once the image is on the slide, position it roughly where it belongs and resize using the corner handles so you keep proportions before applying any transparency edits. Now you turn a placed image into a transparent visual layer. Select the image and open Format options, then Adjustments. Drag the transparency slider to the desired level so the background shows through. If you need irregular edges, use the Mask Image dropdown and pick a shape, then fine-tune cropping. Make sure to lock aspect ratio when resizing so the image isn't distorted. Once done, layer images by right-clicking and using order. Finish by reviewing the composition and exporting if needed. You can download the slide as a PNG or PDF to preserve the visual transparency for sharing or printing. If your image looks opaque, recheck that the source file is PNG with alpha and reinsert it, then reapply the transparency slider. Make sure layering is correct using Send Backward or Bring to Front. If colors shift, check Browser Zoom and re-upload the original image to avoid compression artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.